If you want your business to appear on Google Maps and Google Search when customers look for services near them, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to register your business using a desktop computer. First, open Google Maps on your PC. Once the Google Maps interface opens, click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. From the menu, select Add Your Business. A new page will appear with two input fields. In the first field, enter your business name. In the second field, enter your business category. Always enter your real and accurate business details. Then click Next. You will now see the question, do you want to add a location customers can visit? If customers can visit your physical location, select Yes and click Next. Enter your complete and correct business address. Then click Next. A map will appear with the question, where are you located? Click Adjust and move the map to place the marker exactly on your business location. Drag the map carefully to set the precise position. If you prefer to use live location, click the location icon and allow permissions. Google will automatically detect your current location. After confirming the correct position, click Done, then click Next. Next, you will be asked, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? Select Yes if you offer these services. Otherwise, select No. Then click Next. On the Add the Areas You Serve page, enter the cities, regions, or country where your services are available. Select your actual service areas carefully, then click Next. Now enter your contact details. Add your business phone number and website link. Make sure these details are correct because customers will use them to contact you. You can also enable messaging options such as text message or WhatsApp. After entering the information, click Next. The verification page will now appear. Google may ask you to verify your business through video verification or another method. You can choose more options and select Verify later, but remember that verification is required to make your business fully visible on Google. Next, the Add Your Services page will open. List the services your business provides to help customers understand what you offer. Then click Next. Now set your business hours. Select your working days and enter your exact opening and closing times. Make sure your schedule is accurate. Then click Next. On the business description page, write a clear and professional description explaining your services and what makes your business unique. After entering the description, click Next. Upload a clear storefront photo so customers can easily recognize your business. Click Next, then upload additional images of your business products or services. High-quality images help build trust. Click Next. If you see a campaign page offering advertising options, you can set up ads or skip this step. Finally, you will see a message saying your edits will be visible once your business is verified. Click Continue. Your business registration process is now complete. Remember, you must verify your business to make it fully visible on Google Maps and Google Search. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more professional step-by-step tech tutorials.